Hey guys, let me tell you, these may look like ordinary 5 rupees coin, but they are not. This coin from 1996, which you could see a dot under the date 1996, which says this coin is minted from Mumbai. And take a look at the 5 rupees coin, which has no symbol under the date 1994, which means it's from Calcutta Mint, the only Indian mint which doesn't use a symbol. And if you have one coin like this which has no symbol under the date, please don't lose it, because this coin has a highly collectible value. The coins from 90s from Calcutta Mint has a highly collectible value. Thank you.